Hey guys, it's Ella and welcome back to Ella Creative. In today's video, we will be making custom gift wrapping paper with things that you probably have already in your house. This is perfect with the current situation and many of us staying at home. I think this is a great way to be easy on the environment and also make a custom gift and custom wrapping paper for the person that you love. The supplies that you'll need for this are paper bags, tape, scissors, string, note cards and name tags. I also have a birthday card demo which I'll link here and in the description box below. Feel free to check that out if you're looking for a cute birthday card illustration. For decorating our wrapping paper, I'm using some stamps and black ink. The first gift that we are wrapping is this book called The Daily Stoic by Ryan Holiday. It's a really great go-to gift and I think perfect for a majority of us in quarantine right now. All right, the next gift that we wrap are these reusable beeswax food storage papers. You can use these to wrap sandwiches or to cover up fresh fruit or avocado. They're really awesome. Okay, this is a holy grail product of mine. This is the Four Sigmatic Adaptogen coffee, which I'm drinking right now, and which I'm drinking while editing this video. I really try to mix up my caffeine intake during the week, and this coffee is awesome because it has adaptogens and it doesn't taste like mushroom, guys. It tastes like normal coffee. These grounds you can use in your coffee machine or French press. You use them like any other coffee ground, and it makes a really good cup of coffee. I'll go ahead and I'll link these products in the description box if you're interested. Okay, the next gift we're wrapping are men's daily vitamins. Guys, everybody needs vitamins. You should be taking your vitamins, especially now with the given state of the world. Just do it. Okay, now that our wrapping's done, we can get to decorating our paper. I'm using this tree stamp and also some letter stamps. On this first gift, I'm writing Happy Birthday, Michael, and I'll be doing similar designs on the rest of the packaging. Guys, feel free to use any kinds of art supplies that you have in your house. You guys can use washi tape, markers, Sharpies, ribbon, anything that you have laying around would be great. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this tutorial for custom gift wrapping paper. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with a friend or family member to support my channel. I'll see you guys next Friday with another tutorial. And until then, happy sketching!